Today, I'm going to show you how to set up one of our Dahua IP intercom kits. Now, Dahua has recently released new firmware, version 4.5, and its biggest feature is its quick configuration. So what I'll do is I'll jump straight in, show you how to set up one of our kits with quick configuration in under 3 minutes. First, select your region and language. Then, building type. Select mode, first time configuration. Now we need to configure the IP address. I'll be using DHCP. Enter in the password and the email you wish to use. Note that the password is now visible during this process. Then initialize. Press next. Select Main, PAL, and enter in the correct date and time. And lastly, press 1 key Configure. And that's how easy it is. You can add in more devices later by going to the Advanced Settings section on the Intercom. There's also more functions that you can access via computer. Here are a few features that this firmware gives to our IP intercom kits. 1 key quick configuration, advanced do not disturb and mute notification functions with customizable time schedule. You can operate 2 locks individually, however, you will need an additional relay module to do so. You can add a security camera to this system and you can make it your main camera, or you can switch to this view during a conversation. You can check videos or snapshots through the monitor, or if you're on your phone, you can check videos through the app. Here are the 2 Dahua IP intercom kits and what's included in them. If you have any questions or you'd like more information, don't hesitate to contact us. Your time is important, so start saving it today with Sprint and Dahua. I'm Britt and I'm enjoying the Sprint experience.